How to remove restricted mode on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down to the content and activity section, and from there click on content preferences. Then click on restricted mode. Now as you can see, the age restriction is turned on, so click on turn off, the red button, and here TikTok will ask you to enter your passcode that you once used when you enabled this feature right here. So go ahead and do that. Once you have entered your passcode, click on next. And as you can see, the age restriction has been disabled. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove the age protection on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.